Hello everyone, this is Team NF Ticket, and today I'll be showing the demo for our iOS app. Unfortunately, we couldn't publish the iOS app in the App Store because Apple requires each app to be verified through them. And since it's not possible for us to verify the application right now, we couldn't publish it to the Expo Go store. So we will be showing what the demo looks like for iOS through this video. For people who are using Android, they should be able to download the Expo Go app through the QR code that we have shared with you guys. So let's get started here. So this is this iOS simulator running here. So it's running iPhone 12, iOS 14.3 here, and this is the app. And everything works fine on this simulator, but to make it easier for me to click on the buttons and everything, I'd like to show it via my phone. So I'll share my screen here through my phone, and we can see how everything works together. So let me go here to my phone and start a screen share. Okay. Share screen. Okay. So when the people open our app, they see this in the beginning. So this is the login or sign up screen. So initially I don't have an account, so I will create an account. So I'll just use some random names here for now. And for email, I use something that has not been used before. For password, I'll just use a simple password for now. Let's say Stony Brook. Let me make sure it's fine. Okay, Stony Brook. Yeah, so I type that all and I'll click on register. It says that this email has already been registered. So let me try something else. I know that this email is also already registered, so I'll try to do something else here. Okay, this should work. Let me click on register. It says the email is badly formatted, so I might have some space here. So that is, okay, let me just delete that. gmail.com. Okay. So now I click on register and it asks me to verify the email. So I'll go to my Gmail here. Okay, and I seem to have received an email to verify. Click on the link and it says my email has been verified. So now I can go back to the app and log in. Okay, so I'm logged in. And now this is the screen that you can see here. So when I created an account, the backend also created a Algorand account for me. So I have a private key and a wallet address related to Algorand for this account. So right now, since I just made a account, my balance is 0 algos. So I would not be able to make any purchases or sell or buy anything at this point. So for now, what I would do is I'll go to the Algorand faucet and reload this account with some Algorand in the test network. So I'll just copy the wallet address. So it's been copied. I can also see the wallet address by this QR code. But for now, let me go back to my laptop and try to reload this account. So I have the faucet here and I have copied the address and I'll click on dispense. So it says 200 OK. So this account should have a balance now. Since I'm in the computer, I'll also just show the backend stuff. So I created so this is the account that I created, and you can see that it is not a seller, and it has a wallet address and private key related to the Algorand account. So now, since I reloaded this account, I'll go back to my phone here, and let me change to phone. I'll stop sharing here. Okay. And in my phone, it says 0 algos here, but if I refresh this, I see 100,000 or something algos here. So that's what the Algorand test faucet gave me. So now this account has a balance. And here, so I can go to the profile section and I can edit my account. I can change my name, change my profile picture, change my password and everything else. So I'm not going to do that for now. And this is the logout button here on the bottom right. So it says in the home screen that I don't have any tickets because I haven't bought any tickets so far. If I click on some event like this from the home screen, I can see the picture and I can see the location, date and time, and the price of the ticket. So it has the options to buy the ticket from 2 different places. One is the event manager, the person who created this event. The second one is the secondary market. Secondary market is where other people sell their tickets, unused tickets. So it does not have any, but maybe some other event, maybe this one has something. Okay, so this one seems to have a secondary ticket available, and it's selling for this many algos. So for now, I'm going to switch back to my computer and set this account as an event manager so that I can create an account so that I can show how events can be created. So let me just quickly do that on my computer. And okay, so I had changed it to a seller account. So I just need to log in again. So this is this account. So if we had more time, we would make a web interface for the event managers to create events because it's much easier through a computer. But since we didn't have much time, we just modified this app a little bit so that the event managers can also create the event for now. So the event managers will, when they go to this place, they'll see a plus icon through which they can create events. So other general users will not see this plus icon here. So let me click on the plus icon. So I'll try to create an event here. So let's say I have some nodes over here. Let me go through that. Okay. So I'll create an event with the name. I don't know, it's not let me select. Okay, I'll create an event with this name. And let me copy it from my computer so that it's easier. Okay, so the location is 500 Circle Road. And the city is Stony Brook. And the state is New York. So let me select New York here. And the zip code is, let's say, 11793. So for the date, I have a date picker here. So I'll choose maybe May 30, and the time I would select as 1 p.m. Okay. And so for the quantity of the ticket, I would set it maybe, let's say 1,000 people want to attend the event. So we need 1,000 tickets. the price of each ticket is going to be 5,000 micro algos. And I'll also quickly copy the event description. Let me go back and paste the event description. Okay. And okay, so now I need to add a photo. So let me just add this, choose. I can also add multiple photos by going left or right, but to make it easy, I'll just make one for now. So now I need to click on this plus icon here. So it says creating an event. So creating an event is basically creating an NFT of given quantity. So this should take some time. So it took around 6 seconds. And after it was done, I created the ticket and it deducted some balance from my algorithm. So here I have less balance, maybe 1,000 algos or something less than what I initially had. And if I switch back to my computer here, I can also see on the back end what's happening. So if I go to the backend API and go to event, so I should see, yeah, I should see this event here. And it has an NFT ID. So if I copy this NFT ID and look in the Algorand blockchain, in the testnet, I should also be able to see that event has been created. And so this is the event. And it has 1,000 supply, the supply of 1,000. So that means we have 1,000 NFTs as tickets that the users can buy. So there's some other stuff. So it was created 1 minute ago from this account, wallet address, and it cost this much algos, which is basically 1,000 micro algos, and the name is Roth-Rogada. So this basically shows that our NFT is in the blockchain. So there's this image as URL. We have been storing these images in like a high-speed database. So for now, since the event has been created, other people should be able to see the event. So I will log in from a different account in my mobile phone and try to show that part now. So here the event has been created. I can see that event here. But let me share my screen first. Okay, I can see my screen. And let's go back to the app. Yeah. So I just created the event called Roth-Rogada, and it's showing up here. And I can see the picture, and it says modify event because I am signed in as the event manager. So if I click on modify event, then I can change details, but I cannot change the quantity of the ticket because it's an NFT, and NFT cannot be changed after it has been created, right? So I'm going to quickly log out from this account, and I'll maybe log in with a different account here. Let me see if I can log in through this account. Okay, so this account has 0 balance. So, but I can see my event here. I can also go here and search for the event. So let me try that. So let me search for Roth. Yeah, I can see the Roth-Rogada. So this is what the users see when they want to buy a ticket for some event. They can see every detail, and they can click on secondary market, but there's no ticket in the secondary market right now because nobody has bought any ticket. And it has the option to buy from the event manager. Right now, if I go to home screen, I have 0 algos. So if I try to buy this, it should give me an error. It says insufficient funds because I don't have enough funds. So I'm gonna copy my wallet address here, go to my computer for a second, and try to reload the account from the testnet faucet. Okay, I just did that. And if I go back to my app here and click on refresh balance, I see 100,000 or something micro algos. So now I should be able to buy this ticket. So I'll click on buy ticket from event manager because there's no secondary ticket right now. And so this will initiate atomic transaction. So there will be two transactions, one to transfer the NFT from the event manager to this account, and the other will be to transfer the micro algos of this amount to the seller. So two of those transactions were successful. That's why it says purchase successful. If either of those fails, then the whole transaction fails and I get some error message here. So since it says purchase successful, I can also see an active ticket here. If I go to my account, I can also see the ticket here. So now, so this ticket has the location, price, the description, and also a QR code. And this QR code can be scanned by the event managers so that they can verify the authenticity of this ticket. So if I save this ticket and let me see if I can open this. So if I open this, it is basically sending, as you can see the URL here, it is sending a backend request to the backend to verify. And it is saying the owner is this email address and the NFT ID is that. So it's basically checking if this person with the wallet address in the database owns the NFT of that ID or not. So if I open that in Safari, it says that the ticket has been verified, and this is because it checked with the backend it checked with the Algorand blockchain whether that particular user has the given NFT or not. So I'm going to go back to that. And since I already have the ticket, so now I can resell this ticket. So I can click on resell. So I bought it for 5,000 Algorand micro algos. So maybe I don't want to go to this event and I want to sell it for 2,500 micro algos. So I'll do that. So it has been done. So if I go here and I can see my ticket on sale. So I'll now log out from this account, try to log in from some other account. Maybe not this one, but yeah. So let me see if I can log into this account. Okay, it says invalid. So let me try something else. Roshan at stonypool.edu. Okay, this should work, I think. Okay, I think the password is Storybook, not Stonybook. Roshan, okay. Okay, so I forgot the password for this account, so I'll quickly try and reset it. Okay. It says the email has been sent. Let me stop this for now. Go back to my email. Okay. And share the screen again. Okay. So here I got an email to reset my account. So I'll click on that. I'll change the password to Stony Brook. So that was easy. Stony Brook, save it. Okay, so password has been changed. So I'll go back to the app and the password is Stony Brook and I'll log in. Okay, so I was able to log in and this account seems to have some balance and some tickets. So I'll just go to the event that we created here before, Roth Regatta. And since from another account, we sold a ticket to the secondary market, I'll go to the secondary market here and I should see a ticket here. Yeah, okay. So I can see the ticket and the price is listed as 2,500 algorithms. And I can click, okay, so if I go back here, the price for the original ticket is 5,000 algorithms, micro algos. But from the secondary market, this price has been sold for something cheaper. So I can just buy something for cheaper. So I'll do that. It's going to again initiate atomic transactions where there's transfer of NFTs to one account and transfer of micro algos to another account. Okay, let's see. Okay, it says ticket has been purchased. So now the ticket, the NFT that was owned by the previous owner has been transferred to this account. So this owner, so the owner for the given NFT is this account now. So if you remember, I did a screenshot of the previous account. So I think it's this one. And now, since this previous owner does not own the NFT anymore, if I try to scan this QR code again for the previous owner and the same NFT ID, I should get an error message or ticket not verified. So let me see if that works. So, okay, so now in this case, I got ticket not verified. So it was, it's sending the same request like before, but in this case, the NFT is owned by somebody else. So it says ticket not verified. But if I take the screenshot of this one and try to check the QR code for this one, let's see. So let me go back to the photos. So this is the new QR code for this account, and the NFT is owned also by the same account. So if I open this in Safari, I should say ticket verified. Okay, so I see that. So that thing works because it's connected to the blockchain and it's not looking into the database to check anything. So I'll go back to the app. So that was buying and selling of tickets from the secondary market. I also showed how to create events. So this account is also an account with event manager, but if it was not event manager, then it would not, I would not see this plus icon here. But other than that, I can see other events. I can purchase a ticket for other events, or I can sell tickets that I already own. So let me try selling the same ticket that I bought from the secondary market. So I can resell it. So let's say this event is really popular. So I want to sell this ticket for 10,000 micro algos. So I'll set that. So I listed it for sale. So if I go here, it is on sale. And somebody also my algo rent balance got deducted because I sold the ticket. So it takes 1,000 not one algo rent micro algos to sell the ticket, and it has been listed on sale. So somebody else can buy it again if they go to the secondary market. So right now it does not show up here because I am the person who sold it, but other people can see this if they click on that. So there's the logout button here, and that's the same, changing a profile picture, changing of, let me show the profile picture change. Let's say I want to change my profile picture to this photo here, whatever this is. So, I do that and click the plus icon here, and it's changed. So I can see that. So that is all about this app for iOS. Whatever I did here can be done in the Android also, but we could not publish this app to the App Store. That's why I shared my screen here. So let me go back to my computer. So this was the app that I showed. This is the simulator, but I showed it in the phone, but everything works the same, as you can see here. So buying the ticket, and selling it, everything should work the same, no matter whether I'm using the simulator or the Android phone itself. So this takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, purchase has been successful. So if I just go to my account, I should see it somewhere down there. Yeah, this one. So yeah, so I can also, so all these transactions, I can just check the Algorand Explorer to see all these transactions here that I did. So all of these are NFT transfer transactions. So I transferred from this account to some other account, from this account to this account, and this account to that account. And everything just takes 1,000 microalgos, which is very cheap. And everything can be tracked using the Algorand blockchain. Yeah, so that is all about our app, and I hope you guys like it. So thank you very much. And I should stop the presentation here.